Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Quibec TV channel. Okay, so today I'll be discussing about Stay Young soap. Stay Young Alata Natural soap. This is Stay Young Alata Natural soap. Now, this particular soap is quite scarce in the market. The one I see is quite different from this, but this I bought this from Ghana. So I'm so sure this is Stay Young soap. Previously, I used to buy a smaller one. There's a smaller pack I buy from Ghana, but I couldn't find it when I went this time, so I bought this particular one. This is what I sell in the shop right now. So, what is Stay Young soap? Now, for those of you who know about Stay Young cream is a very good lightening cream. So is the soap. This is a soap of Stay Young cream. So the soap is very good. It's a natural soap. It is produced in Ghana. It moisturizes and softens your skin. It is natural. It does not contain chemical. The ingredients it has includes glycerin, vegetable glycerin, coconut oil, distilled water, shea butter, coconut butter, and so on. So it is a very natural product. It is made in Ghana. I'm going to open it for you to see how it is. It is good. It is superb. I love the soap. I don't know if you can see it. So it has a foil on it written Stay Young is written on it. So there's a foil on it, like most of the Alata soap in the market. They are nylon like foils on it, nice, and it smells very nice. Advantages of Stay Young soap is Stay Young soap is a natural soap. It does not contain chemical. It lightens you in a it lightens you gradually. It's not a fast lightening soap. Although if you want it to lighten so fast, then you need to activate it. You had your whitening powders like your Giga White, the Snow White powder, the alpha butane powder, whatever powder that works for you, you had it to it. You had your whitening oils, you had your whitening glycerin, you had your half cast oil, you had your snow white oil, you had your bleaching oil, whatever oil that works for you, you had it. You had your serums to it to activate it. You can also add other soaps, other lightning soaps that you know that work very well, that you've used before, that work so perfectly well. You can also add it to it to activate it to increase the work of the soap. But you can also use it alone. Using it alone might not lighten you as fast as you want, but it is a very good soap and it will not damage your skin. Those are the advantages of Stay Young soap. It doesn't damage your skin. It works perfectly well, and it is very foamy. It works very well and it lasts very long. This one is sold between 2,500 to 3,000 in the market. It is 500 grams. So if you're using it alone, it is going to take you like 3 months for you to finish this. If you take your bath like morning and night, you should use it for like 2 months or 2.5 months. So it takes you longer to finish all these soaps. You will love your body when you use the soap. This is a natural product. It will not damage your skin. Now the disadvantage of Stay Young soap is I've had people complain about the tingling effect. It has similar tingling effect like Supertona Cottage Fresh. Some people also complain of Supertona Cottage Fresh having tingling effects. So if you use the soap and it has tingling effects on your body, you're feeling some tingling effects on your body, it's peppering you. So you need to stop using the soap and find something else. And preferably you can use Debutone or you can use Cottage Fresh. You can use the green one or the yellow one. You can also use Diamond Alata Garden. I've done reviews of those soaps. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about, go through my channel and you see the soaps I'm mentioning. But if it's not giving you that reaction, then you continue using it. This is a very good Alata soap made from Ghana. It's not readily available in the market. The good side of it is that there are no fakes yet for this particular one. But the bad side is you have to like search all over to find this particular one in Nigeria, but it's available in Ghana. So for best results of this soap, if you want to see the very best result of this soap, you activate it by adding your whitening powders, whitening oils, whitening serums, as I've said earlier, and you can also add other soaps to it. That you can also use Stay Young soap with Stay Young cream. That combination is a perfect combination. Like you would love your skin when you use the combination of both together.